Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and we are going to continue today our series about PHP from scratch, and we are going to continue also with the loops. Today we are going to speak about the for loop. The for loop, in my opinion, it's very easy and it's the most important loop, okay, because it's commonly used in PHP. So let's get started. Here I have empty script, nothing inside it, so I want to do the same thing as before, print numbers from 0 to 50 or to 49, okay, and this time I want to use the for loop. So basically I type like for, like that, and as usual 2 round brackets and 2 curly brackets, like that, 2 round brackets and 2 curly brackets, just to make it nicer. As usual, as I like to do, I just will bring this one down and make this one a little bit wider by using space. Okay, the for loop takes 3 parameters. Okay, the first parameter, or the first parameter, is a variable that has the initial value of the loop. So in this case it's going to be $sign a equals 0. If you remember, in the previous loops I placed the initial values before the loop, okay, before the loop itself, but in the for loop the initial value should be placed in the round brackets, like that, and I use a semicolon after this one. Always remember to use a semicolon, okay? It's not a comma, it's a semicolon, okay? Then after that I place the condition, which is going to be a less than 50. Okay, a less than, this is my condition. I want this loop to keep printing until we reach 50 or less than 50, okay? Then the last one is going to be, also I have to use the semicolon. The last parameter is going to be the increment. I said is going to be a $sign a, plus, and I said before plus means a will increase by 1, okay? And here inside the curly brackets I will place the statement that I want it to be echoed or to be executed in case if the condition is still true. So here I will type echo a and semicolon. Also don't forget the semicolon, and here also I want to echo new line, echo quotation, then the HTML tag be a close line break and self closed, and that's it. Okay, semicolon also, don't forget this one, and let's run it. Oh, I did mistake here. Okay, there's one mistake here. What that mistake is? The mistake is what here? The mistake here is I should not place a space here. Okay, this is a HTML tag, so it was a space like that, so I should not do this. Let's run it again, and sure enough we got it. Okay, one thing here I want to also discuss with you. We have seen that in the while loop it will check the condition first, then if it's true it will exercise or execute the what's inside the curly brackets. But in the do while it will do the do first, so at least I will have one value to be printed, then it will check the loop it will check the condition, sorry. So what about here? What about 4? Is 4 going to do what behavior of 4 here? So in order to explain that, I will just make this one equals 50. So now when this $$sum equals 50, and it will go to check the condition, is the condition true or not? Here is the condition is not true, because I want a to be less than 50. Okay, so let's run it. I got nothing, and this is means it will check the condition first. Okay, it means it will check the condition first. Let's place the 0 back. One more thing here, the increment here, it could be this way also. Okay, if I want it to be an equation like that, okay, a equals a plus 0, sorry, plus 1. Okay, it's going to give me the same result. Okay, same exact result as before. Also, if I want to print the odd numbers only, I can just change this one with 2. Okay, so let's run it. As you can see, 0, 2, 4 odd numbers, sorry, even numbers. I'm very sorry for that. It will print even numbers. Okay, and so on. If I want to print the odd numbers, I can just change this one to make it start from 1. Okay, and let's run it, and sure enough I got the odd numbers only. Okay, I hope this one was helpful and useful. This is the most used loop. The for loop is the most important loop, okay, in my opinion. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and talk to you later. Bye.